Welcome to today's story of automation, invoice processing in manufacturing industries. This is Mariah. She works as an account manager at a manufacturing company. She has a friend, Speedy. It is an RPA bot who helps her with repetitive work, 24/7. She uses Speedy to help herself in the tedious task of invoice processing. Mariah creates dedicated folders for the invoices. Mariah triggers a bot to get the further work done. The bot monitors the folders where the invoices are stored in a PDF format. It reads the invoice from the folder one by one and extracts key information from the invoices. The bot processes the invoice using ERP software. It fills the data such as vendor code, invoice date, invoice number, invoice amount, invoice description, and GL account, followed by the payment terms. An email containing the ERP registered number is sent automatically by the robot after successfully registering each invoice. In the background, the robot verifies whether the tax on the invoice matches the one in the database. Lastly, it checks the email address in the background, accesses ERP software using appropriate transaction code, and posts the invoices. While Speedy does all these mundane tasks, Mariah interacts with other stakeholders in the company to get the work done. After all, a human's job is to do meaningful things. Does this excite you? We help humans become more human at work. EmergeFlow, making the life easier with the power of automation.